Let's go for case study, which is the latest hot counter K&M company. Know-how in share. We provide guidance and support for beginners and existing investors to explore and achieve investment goals. In our Facebook page, Know-how in share, we provide short videos for stock market knowledge, experience, and surviving tips. What happened to K&M last Wednesday, which the share price waterfall or drop from 0.315 to 0.245 lowest, which is about 29%. First question for you, is it the chance or the end? Will you buy into the counter during the day or during the closing or the next day? Let us share with you our strategy. You may monitor the closing price. Let's say that day the share price closed at 0.265. Then you might consider to purchase at 0.265 and the day low is 0.245. Then the 0.245 can be our cut-loss point. That means if the share price drop below 0.245, then we can cut it immediately. Or else we wish for a rebound or the share price to goes up again. We can set our target price for a short-term trading. For example, we set for 0.28 to 0.29. If the share price reach the price around 28 to 29 or maybe 30 cents, then we can take profit. Or if you are greedy or confident with the company, then you can set it above 30 cents, maybe 35 cents or 40 cents. Is up to your own preference. Second question, if you're existing holder before the waterfall, before the drop, that means you hold before the drop from 315 to 245, which is about 29%. Will you cut it immediately? Or what will you do? For us, we will do the same. We will monitor the closing price first. The day the drop from 315 to 245, and we can monitor what is the cross price. The day the closing price is 0.265. Then we can do the same strategy as well, which is we set our cut loss as 0.245. If let's say the share price drop below 0.245, then we can cut it immediately. Or else we can continue to hold the counter and monitor the share price movement. How about if that day the share price closed at the lowest during the fall? That means close at 0.245. Then it is better to cut it off to avoid uncertainties. Because normally if the share price cross at the lowest for such a huge drop, there might be some negative news ahead. So it's better to avoid the uncertainties. In conclusion, you must know why you buy into the counter. What is your expected return or what is your target price for that particular counter? This will help you to confirm your strategy. Let's say your buy is because you like the business or the company performance for the quarter results. Then you may stay calm when you face the situation as above, unless there is a confirmed negative news for the company. Feel free to follow our Facebook page, Know-how in share, for stock market knowledge, experience, and surviving tips. Know-how in share, your share market buddy.